This video got 77 million views on the first day. On the second day, its views reached 121 million. And on the third day, it crossed over 151 million views, just by uploading a 10-second video made using SORA 2. These realistic pet videos are literally breaking the internet.
Back up! It's a deer! No!
Not only that, you can make astonishing ad videos using SORA 2.
Links. Feed your inner peace.
You can make cooking and food vlogging videos.
Still got 19,990 pounds to go, but it's amazing.
You can make realistic history videos that are impossible to differentiate from real ones. Look at these camcorder footages. There's no way to tell it's AI generated. The music and cinematography feel just like real movies. If anyone sees this girl, they can't even imagine that this stage and the whole K-pop show are fake. Just look at these doorbell camera videos. Fake and real videos on social media are now impossible to tell apart. This SORA 2 could totally disrupt the anime industry. Just look at this anime style and its smooth, clear quality. Without the logo, you'd never guess that this anime wasn't made by any anime production house, but by a simple line of prompt. This mind-boggling, amazing tool, SORA 2, needs an invitation code to get access. I'll provide you with the invitation code, teach you how to download watermark-free versions of these SORA videos. Not only that, I'll give you 250 prompt collections to make SORA videos completely free. But for this, you have to stay till the end because I could reveal them anywhere in this video. If you're not from the USA, first use a VPN and connect it to the USA, since SORA 2 is only available in the USA and Canada. As a free user, you can make about 30 videos per day, each 10 seconds long. Start with ChatGPT, since SORA comes from the same family. Log into ChatGPT with your email or using other methods. The ID you use to log into ChatGPT will be the same one used for SORA. Now visit sora.chatgpt.com to access SORA. For the first time, you'll have to choose a username for yourself. Then you'll encounter two options where you'll be asked if you want to use the old SORA or unlock the new SORA 2 by entering the invitation code. I have codes for only 20 people, so the first 20 who visit my Telegram channel will get the code. For others, I also have another solution. For that, you have to visit escaping.work/SORA invites and click Get Invite Code. Then type, I promise to give my code back. Then type 4. Lastly, type, I will repay with a code. After that, you'll get an invitation code. Use it. But most of the time, the code is already used and shows as invalid. In that case, reload the page and repeat the same process again and again. The first time, I tried about 100 times to get a valid invitation code. Reddit users report prices around $4 to $20 per SORA 2 invite code in this early demand spike, and I'm sharing it for free, so make sure to grab it first. After you enter the invitation code, you'll get a welcome message. Click on Get Started. When you click the prompt box, you'll see many cameos. You can use many popular celebrities to make videos using them, which will look totally realistic. I would rather use a prompt to make a viral, realistic pet video. It won't take much time. We can't show the site here to get watermark-free SORA videos. You'll get that site link along with the 250 SORA 2 video prompts on the Telegram channel, along with the invitation codes. AI is making the line between real and fake content blurry, and this video is proving that statement true once again.